Dad. And what?
Whoa.
Whoa. Hey, look. I got what I wanted, Mom. I got the army set. Yeah. Yes, I got the army set.
Did you really?
I got the army set. Yeah.
What's in it?
An army ship. The one I wanted. Because it has an airplane and trucks and a cannon. And it has a helicopter. And that was $2 at Walmart. And what else do I get? Oh. Wait. This was my stocking. Yay! The Yoshi. Yay. Let me see what's in here.
Oh, let's open up something else besides that.
No, it was in my stocking.
Okay.
And I want to see. Yeah, the Hercules CD. Hercules CD. The Hercules CD. Hey, Megan, you've been missing all the good stuff. Wait.
Why don't you take one off and put one on? They're kind of silly with two socks, one off and one on. You want to open some presents?
Uh-oh. Hey, what is this?
Fire, so Mrs. McGuire.
Hey.
You ready? Did you figure out which ones are yours and which ones won't be Megan's?
Yeah, Megan's, mine are the Santa Claus ones, the Christmas trees, and yours are behind you.
How do you know?
Cause
Why?
I know because Santa put my presents by my nutcracker.
Could be. Megan, move yours out a little bit so Daddy can see
Hey, I still have stuff in my stocking. Whoa, I still do.
Oh, okay.
I still do have stuff in my stocking. Yeah. Batman. I was hoping it was Turbo. Ooh, these are big ones coming through. Big ones. Oh my gosh, Power Ranger colors. Ooh. Oh man, I got more than Megan.
Doesn't matter.
Yes, in my stocking I did.
Doesn't matter.
Were you going to come down and open the big ones?
Ooh, okay. I'm going to open the one that Santa Claus did. I'm going to open this one next.
Wait for Mom first.
Go ahead. You can't wait any longer.
Oh my God, yes! Yes! Mommy, I got the Lego set!
Whoa. What's this Lego set? Oh, wait.
It's a Lego set. I wonder what to see that. I wonder what's this one.
Oh my gosh. What's that? Look. It's a Mustang.
Hey,
What?
you get Michael
Boy toys?
I don't think so, Megan.
What's that?
What's this? I don't know. Ooh boy, this is a CD. Yeah, it's the new Richard Scary CD. Yeah.
Tyler, look. It's books that you can read yourself.
Oh my God.
Look at this. It comes with tapes too.
Oh. And I got another CD, Megan. I got her too a CD.
You see that?
It belongs
It's
on.
a computer CD.
I know.
What is this one?
Lego sets. Here, this is what it comes. This is what it comes with. All that. Mommy, just got a new CD.
Whoa, which one is it?
Richard Scarry.
Oh, can you go up next door and
I'm not doing Christmas.
look around and buy in your room?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
And I just they come out and phone line.
I know. Check this out. I got a Super Nintendo game.
It's got a phone in her room. Somebody's calling.
That's pretty cool. Pretty good. How about you?
The light in there.
Tyler, same to her. Wow, Tyler.
Daddy, look.
Okay, we'll see
Yeah.
them at noon.
Okay, we'll see y'all at noon then. What time is it? It's like
12.
8 o'clock now. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Probably one of the presents are a Nintendo game.
No, I think he just probably got the wrong kind.
I
No.
don't know.
Because I saw a great big
Oh,
one.
that's one of the
I have no
Nintendo
idea.
games.
Okay,
It
love
says-
you. Bye.
Megan, I
Oh,
got
cool.
the Super Nintendo.
Wow.
So how'd you find it in your room?
How'd I find it?
How'd you know it was in your room?
What do you mean?
The
I don't
phone
know.
line. Oh, Ryan, now Megan Santa brought.
Yeah. Hold on, Okay.
She left her phone off the hook already.
I know. It's the Turbo Navigator.
No way. No way.
Oh my gosh. Turbo
That's
Navigator.
an easy number to remember.
Megan, look. The Turbo Navigator.
Wow.
Oh my God.
You gonna take it out and try it? Here, I'll stretch a little tape for you right here.
Okay. After I open all my presents.
You don't want to try this one?
I will, I need that. I wonder what this is going to be. It's a Nintendo set. Yes, look.
No. God.
You almost lost your
Hey, Dad.
Yeah, let's turn around, Meg.
Oh, no, cool. This is
Nintendo 64.
And that was in your stack, not in Megan's? Are you sure?
Wrong, that's mine.
That's mine.
no, it's mine.
Who is it?
Whoa. guess
Yes,
what?
it is. It's
Now Megan's gonna be begging you
Oh,
to
cool.
use it.
Megan.
Hello, Tyler.
Hello.
Oh,
Yeah.
gosh. Megan.
Merry Christmas to you.
It's okay.
Tell her. Mom, can I tell her?
Tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, a Hot Wheels something. A Hot Wheels something.
Okay.
It's a Hot
Oh,
Wheels.
cool.
It's
Okay,
the
I'll
rocket
let her know.
set.
Okay. Bye-bye.
It's the rocket set.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah.
Shuttle launcher.
Who's that?
Yeah.
Papa.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Dad, look. Megan, look.
Oh, that is cool.
Cool. Is that the one that you wanted?
Yeah, the space shuttle.
Wow.
Okay, well, got this started. I don't know if this needs batteries or not. Oh, we're gonna need them. You know what? It says 2 AA batteries, but then we got those the other day.
Okay,
I
Dad,
need to
go
see.
get double A
Yeah, I need to
batteries.
double A batteries for that too.
They're both under the sink.
I got them.
Which one?
Yours.
Oh my
I realized
God.
you did too.
Oh, wow. It's a super edition.
A super edition.
Santa knows it all, doesn't he?
He knows that
Here
it
we go.
comes with space.
I've read about this one before. I want to see this one.
Whoa.
Oh, gosh.
Let's see. I'll put the batteries in. said not to bring any pies if you haven't already made them. They have no sweets.
I turned it into the Turbo Navigator.
No kidding. That's so cute.
You want to turn it back into
Oh,
the Turbo
cool.
Navigator? Hey, you guys, we got plenty of other friends here.
Well, hey, you guys, let's see what we got here first.
I got more than Megan.
Doesn't matter.
I think we did.
That's cool.
I think Megan's just slower opening. I think you just. Oh, yeah, that's the instructions are not.
Let me see all the pieces. Let me see all the pieces.
Oh my god.
Those
No. How did you know those boots?
And I got the box.
Right now?
At the store, right? Where else have you seen them?
Oh my.
Oh
Oh,
my.
cool.
I'm so glad we got a bag for you.
Did you get it?
Should be right. That's what you turn on, right? Pretty sure.
I can't. Megan, now you're going to be bugging me big time about this Nintendo.
Grab my dots here.
She'll be on the phone. She won't have time for it.
I
Oh
already
yeah.
know the number. 255-2120.
2150.
Hey, cool.
2150.
So we'll never get it.
You did?
How'd you get that?
Almost done. No.
Fold it into the navigator.
Oh yeah, that's how you work it. You fold it into the navigator.
What's that stuff happening? What says that?
Right.
In there.
Fold it in.
Look on the side.
And slide that over.
What?
You got the picture. It just says on one side.
I put another sock on and take it off.
So did Jerome sleep with her under the...
Feel where these two?
Is he sleeping?
Dad, will you check these in a minute?
Hey, how did the game turn on?
Oh, of course. They're in holes. What?
Oh, look what happens when you shoot it.
I know the red
Yeah.
looks like a cannon's coming.
Well, don't put it me. I didn't do anything.
Morpher.
Put your boy put another sock on.
So where'd you get the Mega Rig?
That's really neat. Okay.
Hey, Dad,
Yeah.
go somewhere, Dad.
Okay.
Go and run somewhere.
Okay.
Be sure you run.
Now I'll put Turbo Tracker on. Here we go, ready on. I seen the Turbo Tracker on you.
So what else is there to open? Is that it?
No, we still got more. Yes, we do.
Well, you gotta clean. We can't even get over there. You got such a mess.
Oh my gosh, it brought the space shuttle. would get
They're
that,
in the trash can under the bag.
if someone would get that gum off of the stand.
Oh, it's probably yours.
No. Okay, Turbo Navigator truck mode. This is how they really do it, I promise. Come on, the tractor. Gotcha!
There's some stickers.
Yes,
on
gotcha! Ha ha! I got him. Mom,
there. What CD did you get?
Hercules.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, it's good. What you can get? Turbo Racers.
Great. I thought we had it all.
No, look how much more there is to it.
Well, we're running out of places at stores that know what Turbo Rangers is lately.
But at least I got the Turbo Navigator. Okay, crack mode on.
Huh?
Gotcha. 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 4-0. Gotcha. 5-0. It's gotcha. Because I'm getting him into the circle. And that's how you can get high scoring.
We're ready for the whole box.
Yes!
Mary.
Where'd you get him at?
That was you, right?
100, yes!
Got a can you that piece of paper right there?
I got it to 100.
Okay, hey, go and give me your Turbo, I'll put the
Are you kidding?
special stickers on them. All right, let me show you the
To the navigator.
There's one on there, so
Okay,
it probably
yeah,
goes
I'll
over
just
that
check.
side.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
Hang
So
on.
what do you think about
I'm putting this in.
when you carry it up?
I'm putting this in.
I think it matches pretty close.
Where are my things, Mom?
It's a good thing out there.
No turbos on me. Turbos on me.
Small little compact. You don't like it, huh?
That's what I was. But it points where you need to go. That one points where you need to go. It helps the power.
Rub that one a little bit for me. Okay, then, let's see. 3 and 3 go up here on the side. Okay, let's see, this flips open, no?
Okay.
Do you know that? You didn't know this flips open for a target thing? Oh, I thought you knew everything there was to know about Turbo Rangers.
Hey, Mom, look, it opened.
Pretty cool.
Okay, let's see.
That was the screen. Dad, look. See,
Yeah.
that's the screen?
Yeah,
It's
Yeah,
a
it's
screen.
clear.
A
Yeah.
sticker's a screen on here.
yeah,
Look.
hey. That makes sense.
All these things times whatever number they have. It is. Did you see what all was in here? You and Daddy better get busy. Look at all these things in your car. Oh my gosh, look at all these white things. What are they?
Here's the man, Tyler.
Whoa, what's that?
Oh,
That's
really?
spinning thing. There's a Lego remover right there. How many men are there? 1, 2.
Turbo goes on the back.
Oh wow, look at this wheel, Tyler.
No, it's not.
That's a
real.
drill and some, look at those tires.
I know. Turbo goes on the back.
Wow.
But the looks
Oh, there's
cool.
another man.
See, I told you I didn't need to sit on Santa's lap.
Why not?
Because he already knew what I wanted.
So I guess this is when he was talking about Lego buildings. system? Oh my gosh, is this what you can build with it?
Yep.
Whoa, look at that airplane with the propellers on it.
But I can make a better one. Oh my gosh.
What?
Yeah, you better get to work right now. Look at those tires. Oh my gosh, look at the guy with the tire on his head. Okay, Dad, we'll leave you here and you can get this built for us. We'll pick you up later.
No monstrous trick.
Okay.
Turbo goes on the back.
Hey, that's even bigger bucket than you already had. Good grief. How does he eat?
It's almost as-
So what's the Synergizer do then?
Synergizer, it's in times left.
Oh, so you really could use both of them?
No, really, because this is rain.
Yeah, but if you're gonna, Daddy, you're gonna play, I guess you need to work with it.
Well, Centurion